Don't worry, I'm not about to tell you how to run your business. I'm simply just opening your eyes to the benefits of search engine marketing consultancy, including fresh ideas, low costs, and flexibility. SEM Consultancy comes in all sorts of shapes and sizes, but consultancy in simple terms is the process of meeting with a consultant to evaluate and strategize your business in a results-focused way. Here's why your business needs search engine marketing consultancy. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to download your free guide on why you should hire a SEM agency. Increase organic rankings with experienced support. A search engine marketing consultant will have abundant experience under their belt. They'll know their way around a SERP, from SEO to PPC and various other search engine marketing channels. Their experiences should come with a swell of knowledge covering best practices and knowledge about the industry itself, which will allow them to assist in curating a traffic-boosting, lead-generating strategy. Primarily, if you're a solo business owner or a small team without the budget or resources to bring in a marketing manager, an extra pair of hands could be particularly helpful. You may be at a complete loss for where to start with your search engine marketing journey, but with a consultant guiding you, you are more than likely to see and achieve sustainable results through a streamlined strategy and see far fewer mistakes on your end. It's time saving. Having a consultant on board for your business strategy means that you don't have to spend as much time learning about the industry's best practices. A consultant will make the best strategies and tactics aware to you, and when you begin working together or when you begin new campaigns, start utilising them. This means that no budget is spent on training activities and you do not have to take on another role, and time can be put into other areas of your business. Although Raw strongly recommends taking in as much information as possible and doing your outside learning, your search engine marketing consultant should be leading the way, with you following the trail closely behind. Tailor-made campaigns. The good thing about consultants is that they offer a variety of solutions to marketing. Ultimately, you've hired them and brought them on to create a project concerning your business. Now, they should then take the time to get to know and understand your business thoroughly. The value of bringing in an external consultant comes from their advice, their strategy, which is tailored to the challenges and goals that your business is currently working on. So from SEO to PPC, a consultant will make strategic, results-driven ideas to support your business better. Improve the current strategy. Overall, bringing an extra pair of hands can improve your current strategy, which is a key benefit of search engine marketing consultancy. Now, businesses hit bumps in the road regularly, leading to shifts in project management, responsibility, and campaign timelines, amongst other things like industry changes. So if you're not happy with your current strategy, process, or management of a project, then hiring a consultant could be a more efficient way of working. Consultants have a level of expertise, allowing them to identify the areas where your business can be improved and how to better streamline the operation of your business. So this doesn't only improve your efficiency, but it also saves time, money, and can increase your profitability. Generate new ideas. In a business, you normally liaison with the same individuals and team members each day. And as much as you enjoy being around your colleagues, sometimes you need a fresh perspective to throw in some new ideas and creativity into the mix. So bringing in an outside consultant who has never touched your business before could bring a whole new perspective on what your business is doing and ideas that your team have never even thought of. To get search engine marketing support for your business, check out the link in the description to speak to one of our specialists today.